Good morning. It's 7:42 and everything is awesome. Today is an awesome day because it's the Lynnee X for Love and Lemons shoot.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Director
you.
of Technical Design.
Amazing. Yay! Oh my gosh. Wow. Amazing modeling you are doing right now. Wow. It's so flattering.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god, I want to wear that every day.
From like a product perspective, I don't think we have many notes on this.
No, that looks perfect. That's like the most flattering dress I've ever seen.
I love that your dog comes to the business meeting.
I really tried to like leave her alone.
She's so cute. Yeah, they know.
And then the robe is new for us.
Really?
Yeah.
The
We're
long?
excited about this.
I love robes. Like, right? I'm like, I need 20 for every occasion.
Yeah.
Before shower, after shower, wake up robe. Like, there's different ones. Wow.
I know, it's not so cute.
On the apron. Wow. I love the long robe.
Yeah.
I'm glad we did the long. That's so pretty. And the string too. Oh, it has a tie. Wow. Oh, those are so cute bottoms.
The team like knocked it out of the park with us. It's
Every single thing is like
fast.
unbelievable.
Boxer line.
Right.
This bow is getting just slightly bigger, like half an inch on each side.
That's
to make
so
it more
pretty.
proportionate and line up with really pretty bow.
Beautiful. I love that style of dress, just like long and fitted, but not like super tight. It's so pretty.
What was the update on that? Was it scale or something?
Before they were really small, like they didn't match these scales at all, so this is the correct scale.
Okay, great. And the butter dish is good to go? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So cute.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh.
So cute.
That is so cute.
And then it's gonna come out also, so it's like up here. And then on the back, we're adding straps that crisscross and then one up to here. So she'll just have like an extra two straps here out of the
But the tie is still the same, right?
tie's
there?
still the same, yeah.
The embroidery on that.
So cute.
Oh my god. I love the length of it too. Like a little, because it looks like a little dress.
I haven't done an apron like this shape either.
Yeah.
This is a new. Yeah.
And tying around the waist too gives you like a nice little shape.
Wow.
Wow. Every time, like, yeah.
The placemat, and then this, there was a miscommunication.
What
It's
happened?
a normal size napkin.
Okay.
The design of it. It'll be
Just like a little.
It is a baby and some creative agency, please. That's one right there. Adding it's right there.
I kind of love it.
It
Goes so well with like.
summer dinner parties.
Yeah. Oh my god. Like outside.
Oh, four napkins.
Oh, it comes with 4?
It's 4 napkins.
Yeah. What about these?
2.
2.
Yeah.
It's just so fun to make things cute. Like, your job is to make things cute.
I have that.
All the feedback is like cute.
Cute.
It's literally what like Sydney wears.
I know, it's like my dream closet. Is these pieces.
Oh, here she comes.
Wow. Oh my god, this is such a cute outfit. Wow. I love the reveal. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the back of it. Oh my gosh. The apron.
Oh, then yeah.
That is so cute. Wow, I love the cut of the apron. How it's like kind of V a little bit.
I don't think I've ever seen
Oh,
anything.
yeah. It's like a little mini skirt.
Yeah. It is a mini skirt.
Right?
Put on some jeans, some pumps.
Put on whatever. Nobody has ever looked this cute in a kitchen.
No.
Ever. Before. This is your favorite?
My favorite too.
Really?
I haven't done it before. I was like,
This is a new one?
I mean,
Oh my god. It's like a little corset-y too.
it has boning in it, right? Yeah.
It does?
Yeah, it has boning
Wow.
here. So she'll be super tight, like
Right.
suck you in.
The embroidery is so well done. I can't wait to see people wearing it. That's like the best feeling. Cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Wow.
Ribbon center front, and on the bottom will be more of a baby pink.
Cute. Oh my god, that top. That is so cute. Wow. Oh wow, that's so pretty.
So cute.
Wow, that's really pretty. I love that. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. I'm gonna make coffee. Right here. Oh, perfect. My Chamberlain coffee cup. Here's what I've been doing for my coffee lately. Ice. My espresso's already in here. Brown sugar into the espresso. Sometimes I'll do it before and then pour it on top. Give it a little mix so it gets all, like, it dissolves. Milk. I'm loving that this carton has like this kind of lid. And then, like this. Oh. There we go. How's my hair look? I washed it yesterday. I showered this morning. I just put on so much lotion. Oh my god, I get so many compliments when I wear this lotion. It's like the only lotion that I consistently get compliments on. It's the Glossier. I think they only have one kind, but it's the Glossier one. Today's really exciting because we're shooting our For Love and Lemons Lynnee collab, and I am so excited. This has been in talks for so long. I got my nails done yesterday. Wait, they're really cute. We are doing a new pan color, a new collection of apron, oven mitts, pot holder, the whole 9 yards, even some new stuff, new product additions, and a whole collection with For Love and Lemons that's just actually the cutest clothing and things I would wear in the kitchen and out of the kitchen. And I love it so much, and I'm just so happy. And today's a shoot, and I'm really excited. I should get up and go. Having too much fun. Okay, let me back up and I'll see you in the car because I'm taking too long.
We're not doing any Jason and Freddy carving, just light beat carve.
A light bee.
Yay! Might smell a little weird, but
Smell weird?
it's not a thing. So I don't have to keep baking powder on you.
Oh my god.
Wait, I keep seeing people post about that.
It works really well.
I keep seeing it on TikTok.
These shorts, do you have a preferred color you like to use for liner? You're wearing a walnut.
I love happy walnut and anywhere happy. Nothing too like pink. I also got lip blushing like 2 years ago and it still gives my lip like.
Yeah, it looks pretty. I mean, even just like that is pretty.
Okay, so this one you want her kind of stationary?
Proper way to hold the bag.
Perfect!
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah, feels good.
Oh my god, that was so cute. Oh my god. Be like, oh my gosh, what happened?
favorite dresses, if not my favorite. Wow. I don't want to take it off. Come on. That's cute. Hi vlog. What look is this, 5'4"? I don't know, but look at that. This is our half apron. We have a full 1.5 one, and look at how cute. And a little pocket. Put your case in there. And now we're getting into cooking with the pan and our accessories.
When we are apart, I will remember the summer. Remember when everything was bright and new. That walk through the little park, the moon high above the treetops.
I need your. Oh.
Are you kidding me?
So.
This is the full length. I think this is the first reveal of the new pan color. Look at how gorgeous she is. Like, are you serious? We're shooting, I don't remember what number this is, but we got pasta and we're filming a little video, and then it's lunch. But I'm already kind of snacking on what we made here in this. It's really good, and I love our pan. New pot holder is round, and look. It can be a puppet or a pot holder. Oh my gosh, our beautiful lid. We got a new lid. Updated new lid, 2 new features actually. Top unscrews. Just a little hint of what's to come. Butter dish! New product, butter dish. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. You can kind of see the logos under there.
I'm gonna try to plug in the monitor just so we can get like.
I love the butter dish and
what is happening.
new little mitt
Sure, you're good.
to match the collection.
Thank you. I'll come back.
Perfect polka dots. And the inside is so soft. On these ones,
Okay, cool. There we go.
it's unbelievable. I can't believe it. Oh, sorry. Oh my god.
I know the shoes are adorable.
Shoe cam.
Lazy Lynn. Aww.
Let's do a random one.
Go for it. Frank
Started
on.
ringing. I don't remember what look we're on. After 4 or 5, I was like, I don't know anymore.
Just now?
Oh my gosh, is this 8?
7 or 8. I think it's 8.
You want some Tiger Balm?
Wow. We have a few more in the house, and then we're going to a cute market nearby, which I'm excited for. And that's our last one there, right? But I think we have a few more here. It's going really well. And I feel awesome.
It's kind of cute if you're just kind of like walking through here a little bit, like, and you're just kind of like letting this kind of do its thing, like just walking in this little area.
When we first met, you brightened.
Like I've had like 5 caffeinated drinks.
I need more.
What's another one?
And when you held my hand, the clouds all rolled away. Yes, they did. But now I hear drip, drop, and it won't stop.
Hi! We just got to our last location. We're doing one look at a little Italian market. Oh, everyone just got here. And then that's it. I'm so excited. Everything has been so incredible. Last look. Let's go. We are officially wrapped, and I just got to a friend's house for dinner, but I wanted to say goodbye. Today was so much fun, and I'm so happy and excited about everything with this Lynnee collab. And I love For Love and Lemons so much. Their team has been the most amazing people to work with, and I'm just so excited that they wanted to do this and do it with me and with Lynnee, and I could not be happier. I'm so grateful and just excited. I loved all the photos. I think everything went so well, and I love the collection so much. So it's out now. You can shop it on Lynnee.com and on forloveandlemons.com. Vlogging is also fun. Let me know if you like my vlogging style, because I'm having fun. All right, it's Friday, so I'm gonna go enjoy my Friday night. I love you. I'll see you soon.